Good evening students, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is the second session of Introduction to Graphs. Already first session of this chapter was posted a couple of days ago. This is the second session, and in this session we will plot different data on your graph paper. So you can do it on your graph paper, or you can do manually by drawing x-axis and y-axis, that is the Cartesian plane, in your copy. So let's start. So for question number one, so here three questions, all total three questions are given. So the first question says, following table gives the temperature at 12 noon on 7 successive days in Delhi. So temperature are given at 12 noon on 7 successive days from October month, and their temperature is given. So we have to plot this data along x-axis and y-axis, and so that we can draw the graph of this data. So just plot first x-axis. This is x-axis, horizontal axis. This is the x-axis, and this is the vertical line, that is y-axis, this vertical line, and this is origin. Clear? So two components are given, one is day and one is temperature. So we will plot day along x-axis. Days are from October month, so along x-axis we will plot day, and along y-axis we will plot temperature, or just write it like temperature. It is given in degree centigrade, so it is plotted along y-axis, and this is origin. Now days are 7 days are given, so just by plot 1 2 3 4 5 6 and extend this x-axis so that we can plot 7 also, that is 7. And temperature given 14, 18, 16, 13, 19, 20 and 17. So we will plot temperature taking 2 unit along y-axis. So that is 2, it is 4, it is 6, it is 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, and extend this y-axis so that we can plot 20 also. This is y-axis. Clear? Now see, on first day temperature is 14 degrees centigrade. That means the first day temperature is 14 degrees centigrade. That means this is the 14 degrees centigrade. This one is the first plot. First day 14 degree centigrade temperature, second day 18 degree centigrade temperature. So second day 18 degree means this, that means the second day it will be above 2. So 18 degree centigrade, that means straight join, that is 18 degree centigrade. Third day it is 16 degree centigrade. Third day it is given 16 degree centigrade. So 16 degree means this one 16 degree centigrade on third day. It will be plotted at third day, that means this position 16 degree, that means this third day it is 16 degree, that means third day it is 16 degree. Fourth day it is given at 13 degree. For 13 degree, that means between 12 and 14. So between 12 and 14 it is 13 will be here, so here it will be 13 degree. So on fourth day that means here between 12 and 14 it will be 13 degree. Between 12 and 14 is 13 degree. So fourth day, that means on fourth day it is 14 degrees. So fourth day means almost here. This is the fourth day, that is 14 degree, 13 degree. Next fifth day it is 19 degree. 19 degree, that means between 18 and 20 it is 19 degree. So fifth day is here. This is fifth day. So fifth day, that means almost here. So fifth day it is 19 degree. Sixth day it is 20 degree. Fifth day it will be between 18 and 20. It is the fifth day, 19 degree, and 20 degree will be on sixth day. So sixth day 20 degree, that means it will be here. On sixth day it is 20 degree, and seventh day it is 17 degree. 17 degree means between 16 and 18. So 17 degree means between 16 and 18 on seventh day. Seventh day, that means here. This is the seventh day. it will be 17 degree. Now connect these points by a straight line using a ruler. Connect these points. So your graph will look like this. Your graph will look like this. This is the graph by having this information. Clear? So we will solve this type of plot by drawing x-axis and y-axis, and by plotting the respective data along x-axis and y-axis. Next one. Next question. Next question, question number 4. Question number 4. Question number 4 it says a bus is going on a long journey starting at 4 hours. The speed of the bus at different hours is given below. That means speed is given in km per hour and time is also given. That means in 4 hours its speed is 30 km per hour, in 6 hours its speed is 50 km per hour, in 8 hours its speed is 60 km per hour, and so on. So we will plot this data along x-axis and y-axis. So just first draw x-axis and then y-axis, and this is the origin. Clear? Next, along x-axis we will plot speed, and along y-axis, in x-axis we will plot the time, and in y-axis we will plot the speed, that is in km per hour. So the plot time in x-axis, that is given in hour, and along y-axis plot speed, which is given in kilometer per hour. Now time is given 4 hours, 6 hours, 8 hours, 10 hours, 12 hours and 14 hours. So plot it by taking 2 units. So it is 2 hours, 4 hours, 6 hours, 8 hours, 10 hours, 12 hours and 14 hours. Clear? And speed is given 30, 50, 60, 45, 80 and 70. So take it by 10 unit. Take speed by taking 10 unit. So that is 10, this is 20, this is 30, this is 40, this is 50, this is 60. Extend the y-axis, this is 70 and this is 80. Clear? Now plot that in 4 hours its speed is 30 km per hour. So in 4 hours its speed is 30 km per hour. Now 30 is here, so the first point will be here. In 4 hours its speed is 30 km per hour. So just draw its 4 hours, it will be approx exactly it will be here. So in 4 hours its speed is 30 km per hour. In 6 hours its speed is 50 km per hour. So 6 is here, 6 hours speed is 50 km per hour. That means it will be here. 6 hours its speed is 50 km per hour, and in 8 hours its speed is 60 km per hour. 8 hours means this is the 8 hours. Its speed is 8 hours its speed is 60 km per hour. So 60 means here. So in 8 hours its speed is 60 km per hour. In 10 hours its speed is 45 km per hour. So in 10 hours 45. So 10 hours is here, and 45 is for between 50 and 40. 45 is between 50 and 40. Somewhat it will be here because it is 41, 42, 43, 44, 45 like this. So 45 will be in between 40 and 50. That means 10 hours means 10 is here. So that means it will be somewhat in this position. So in 10 hours its speed is 45 km per hour, and in 12 hours its speed is 80 km per hour. So 12 is here and 80 is here. So in 12 hours its speed is 80 km per hour. So its plot will be here. In 12 hours its speed is 80 km per hour. In 14 hours its speed is 70 km per hour. So 70 means here and 14 is here. So just plot the point, it would be here. That is in 14 hours its speed is 70 km per hour. Now connect these points so that you can draw the graph. That means connect these points. So your graph will looks like this. This is the graph of from the given data. Clear? Next, third question, last question. So question number 5. Question number 5. Question number 5 says the following table shows the amount of wheat grown by Hira in different years. So Hira grows different amount of wheat, and the years are given, and what wheat grown in quintal. So what amount of wheat he is producing, that is given by table. So we have to plot this graph by using this data. So plot x and y axis first. So first draw x axis and then draw y axis. This is the origin. The components are years and production of wheat. So years, will plot years along x axis, and wheat grown, that is amount of wheat, we will write in I'm just using this. So amount of wheat will be along y axis. Amount of wheat, it is given in quintals, it is given in y axis. Now see the data. Years are 1995, 96, 97, 98, 99, 2000. So plot the years first, that is 1995, 1996, 1997, 1998, 1999, and extend x axis a little bit, that is 2000, and this is years. And wheat grown, that is 240, 220. That means we have to take 100 units so that we can plot all this data. So take 100 units. So 100, it is 200, or you can take it from 50. That means you can take 50, 100, 150, 200 like this. So take 50 units, that will be much more comfortable. So take 50 units. So 50, it is 100, it is 150, it is 200, it is 250, it is 300. Clear? Now in first 1995, wheat production is 240 quintal. So in 1995, 240 means between 200 and 250. That means it is 210, 220, 230, 240 and 250. That means almost here 240. Clear? So the point will be exactly here. It is 240, that is below 250. Next in 1996, it is 220. 220 means always between 200 and 250. So 210, 220 here, 220 in 1996. That means 1996 or 220. That means the plot will be somewhat here. The plot will be somewhat 1996. The plot will be somewhat here, 220. Next in 1997, production is 160. So 1997 production is 160 means just after 150. That means between 200 and 150. So this is 160. So in 1997, so plot will be here, just above 150. It will be just above 150. That is 160 quintal. In 1998, it is 250. So 1998 250. That means it will be here 250 unit. 1998 just above 240 unit. So in 1998, in 1999 it is 270 unit. 270 means this is 250, 260 and 270. That means just below 300 in 1999. Just below 300. It is in 270 quintal 1999, and in 2000 it is 300 unit. So 300 means almost equal to 300 level. That is almost this level. It is in 2000. Clear? So just connect this point so that we can draw the graph. So just join these points by using a ruler. So the graph will looks like this. This is the graph. We have drawn this graph from this data. So in this way we will solve this type of questions. One question will surely come, this type of question, or one question will surely come in your exam. So practice well, and by you using pencil and eraser you can easily draw this graph. Don't use pen, use pencil while drawing or plotting this graph in your copy. Clear? So that's it, this chapter is complete. In the next session we will start a new fresh chapter. Clear? Thank you.